Okay, so today we're going to have a look at improper fractions because some of you send me messages asking about that. Now, improper fractions, this is something you've actually done in school before because improper fractions is just another way of saying top-heavy fractions. And we've had a look at top-heavy fractions before. It looks like this one here, 27/8. A top-heavy or improper fraction is one where the numerator is larger than the denominator. Now we're used to seeing numerators that are smaller than denominators, let's say 1/4, 1/4. And remember, the denominator is how many bits is this thing divided into? Simple as that. And the numerator is, and then how many of those bits am I talking about right now? So this thing is divided into 8 bits. So we're going to use our good old favorite example of the pizza. We have something divided into 8 slices, but we actually have 27 slices. So straight away we can see I'm dealing with something that's bigger than 1, because one pizza would have 8 slices, but I have 27 slices. So let's see how many slices we can get. Well, my first pizza had 8 slices. Then if I have a second pizza, I'm up to 16 slices. If I have a third pizza, I'm up to 24 slices. And I can see here that I'm not going to get a full fourth pizza. So my fourth pizza, I'm actually only going to have 3 slices in that, and that's going to bring me up to my 27 slices, which is what was in my original question. So that shows me that I have 3 whole pizzas, and I have 3 little bits of a pizza. Now, what sort of little bits of a pizza do I have? Well, let's look back at the original question. What fraction were we dealing with? We were dealing with 8s. So it's 3/8. So my answer is 27/8 can be written as the mixed number 3 and 3/8. Now, was there any other way I could have done this without drawing the picture? Yeah, I could have done it as a normal division using a division frame, and then I would find that 8 goes into 27 3 times with a remainder of 3. And again, what is that remainder of 3? What's left over? It's 3/8. So my answer is 3 and 3/8. Now, if I need to do it the other way, where I get a mixed number and I want to convert it into a top-heavy fraction. So for example, here's my mixed number. I have 4 and 7/9. So what is that? What would that look like as an improper fraction or top-heavy fraction? Well, the first thing I want to look at is how many bits is this thing divided in? So look at your fraction, look at your denominator. It's divided into 9 bits. So if I was to try and think of a picture for that, I would say maybe a box of 9 cupcakes. So I'm looking at boxes of 9 cupcakes. Okay, now I need to think about how many whole ones do I have? I have 4. So I have 4 whole boxes of cupcakes, each of which has 9 in it. So my first box, 9 cupcakes. Second box brings me to 18. Third box, 27. Fourth box, 36. So I've done all of my full ones, and I can see I have 7/9 as well. So there's my 7/9, and that's 43 altogether. So it's 43/9. 4 and 7/9 is 43/9. Was there another way to do this? Yes, I could simply have multiplied my denominator, my 9, by my 4 whole ones, which is essentially what I've done in the picture here, and that would get me 36/9, and then I add on my 7/9 that's left to get 43/9. I hope that makes sense.